to my YouTube channel, and thanks everyone who has subscribed. Thanks everyone who is watching. I love you all. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch the videos, to subscribe, to like, to comment and everything. I really thank you so much. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another day, and hoping everybody is doing fine. Today I want to show you something very sweet. But before that, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button below, comment on the videos that you watched, like, subscribe, ask your friends to subscribe, and we'll be good to go. So just keep watching. There are more videos coming. I've not finished sharing the Philippines videos, so there's still more nice and interesting videos coming along. So just make sure that you share with your friends, ask your friends to subscribe, to share, to like, and we'll be good to go. So, and something else, check on my Instagram page, angelruth_17, and follow me on Instagram. There's so many nice photos there on how you can dress, on some interesting things. You need just to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's see what good things that we have there. And something else that I want to start doing is shout outs. This is how I'm going to do my shout outs. So what you have to do is check any of the YouTube videos of mine that you like and share it on your Facebook page. Share it on your Facebook page and tag me, Angelita Angel Mark. Mark is M-A-R-C. Tag me on that video. Tag 3 of your friends and or more and ask them to follow. So one thing you have to do is share it on your Facebook page, any of the videos that you like, and tag me, Angelita Angel Mark, and tag 3 of your friends, and I'm going to give you a shout out. This one, I promise I will give you a shout out on my next video, and I got you. So today I'm taking you to the kitchen and I'm going to show you something interesting. By the way, you guys, if you look at my skin, just look at my skin. It's glowing, right? It's looking good. I hope you can all see that. It's all glowing, it's all looking good. Today I want to share you one nice, interesting recipe. It contains fruits and some veggies. Yeah, most of my recipes are a mixture of fruits and veggies because all these two make the most important components in our body. As for me, like for skin, if you need a good skin, then you need to check this video out that I'm going to share now. So I will take you to the kitchen, and be sure to be with me as I'm going to show you a very interesting recipe that will help your skin like glow and look as good as mine, right? Yeah. So we go to the kitchen. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you how to make. You may call it a smoothie. I'll call it juice. It's good for your skin, and anyway, body wise, it's just good for you. It's something you need to try out. So these are the ingredients that I have. What you need is 1 apple, that is one red apple. For this one, you specifically have to use a red apple. You need a mango. I'm using a mango just to sweeten it, to make it sweet, because I don't want to add any honey or something. I have carrot, I have beetroot, I have cucumber, pawpaw. Some people call it papaya. Then I have brown flax seeds. And these are my ice cubes because it's pretty hot outside, and this is just good when it's a little bit cold. So first things first, what I'm going to do is, I prepared my fruits. I'm going to cut. My cutting is still using my hands as I do it in all my videos. I explained in my early videos that I like just to cut everything without using a chopping board, but please make sure you use a chopping board so you don't cut your hand. So cucumber, some people choose to peel cucumber, but I choose to use it just the way it is. So I add my cucumber, and I'm going to add my carrot. Some people like to peel it. It's up to everyone the way you like to do it. So I add my carrot. I'm going to add a bit of beetroot. By the way, this is a good way to take beetroot. There are people who don't like the taste of beetroot. So what you can do is just mix it with your fruits and your smoothies, so you have it. Beetroot is very good for the skin. People who have issues with acne breakouts, like sometimes I do have, they should make good use of beetroot. So beetroot is so good. You add beetroot, and then I'm going to add a bit of my pawpaw. As I said, some people call it papaya. So once that is done, then I add my mango. You can do just like this without the mango, by the way. It's another way you can do it. Why I love mango is also good for the skin, and it will sweeten this particular juice, so you're going to enjoy having it a naturally sweetened juice. You don't need to add sugar to your juice, by the way. So I'm just going to use half of a mango because I'm just making a bit of it. That is enough for me, one person. Then I add my ice cubes, and then I will add just a spoon. I added half a spoon of brown flax seeds. So I add, okay, let me measure for you. This is just a small cup. This is like 150 ml. So I had 1 cup of 150 ml of water, and cover it, and I'm going to blend this particular mixture. This is our juice that is ready. Very nice. Let me put it in a glass. It's recommended that, I recommend that you take this juice after breakfast. You can add more water if you want a more flowy juice, but this is it, you guys. This is nice. It's nice. Sure, you need to try this particular juice. It's a mixture of fruits and vegetables. Very nice, very healthy, and I promise you're going to get a very good skin, right? This is good. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for coming with me to the kitchen, and hope you're going to have a nice day. Let me enjoy my juice. Bye bye. See you next time.